Hi guys, this is Sudarshan back to the video recording of how to secure 90% marks in board examination. As we know, the 10th class examinations are there from 3rd March onward. So let's hope we can do some good things for our students. First, my introduction. Actually, I am a grade 10 teacher. Wait one second. What is this? Okay, yeah. Uh, I'm working for an international school. Past 5-6 years, I am teaching for CBSE school, and 3 or 4 times I have been an invigilator and as well as spot evaluation. 3 times I went for the 10th board examination paper, and at present, let's see. The video is for mm, how to secure 90% marks in CBSE 10th board, and really I must say that it is very simple and very easy. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. Just check out the link below that I have provided to go step by step. So let's see what is the portion actually to be concluded here. We have some books actually that I am referring from past many years, and according to this CBSE content now, we have like um, portion. First the blueprint will go through, and the blueprint says in this manner that this time the portion is so simple actually. According to the latest CBSE specification, we have around 4 units here. Unit 1, 2, 3 and 5. Under chemical or under chemistry, we have chemical substances, nature and behavior. Second unit has a biology part which is called as world of living. Third one is the physics called as natural phenomena, and the fifth is also actually coming under bio only, and the natural resources is there. Chemical substances, which carries 23 marks, world of living carries 30 marks, natural phenomena carries 29 marks, whereas natural resources carries only 8 marks, and this is the total, like it makes around 90, right? So here we are with the specifications, and let's come to the point, actually directly to the point. What is this? Which books you have to refer, what is the first step, how to you will secure the marks. Around now, actually if we count the days, we have only 81 days left for our board examination, right? We have 81 days, and let's see how are the tips actually working to go through the books, like whatever you method you want. Now at present I am in Hyderabad and working for an international school from past 5 years. So some of the books that we are referring, or mostly the teachers are referring, like we have 4-5 books, starting with a basic book, that is the Oswal. At present I don't have, so Oswal is a book actually. Both you have lesson wise questions and question answers are there. Along with that you have sample papers, you have guide Oswal, so you can go through that Oswal. I don't have at present the Oswal, so I can't comment on that thing, but in my personal opinion, Oswal is not at all good, and it's not that much better for 10th grade. It has only some multiple choice questions, selected questions, which are hardly, in the sense, which are hardly actually covered some basic important questions, right? So I can't say anything about Oswal, but in my personal opinion, please, if you are seriously studying for 10th board examination, so just don't go for the Oswal. It's just a hectic thing. Okay, nothing will be there, and you won't get any good marks in that, right? So that was with the Oswal, and we have now. Let's see what else we have. We have some of the books, right? So here check out some of the best books actually. Uh, the first thing for the student of a 10th grade is to depend upon only one book. Please use only one book. Don't go for the multiple books. Some of the books like we are using here is a reliable book. Okay, reliable science term 2, and as you can see here, This is the screenshot. Yeah, reliable question bank science term 2, and you can get it on Amazon or online. So this is the there, and it's the publication is, I don't know what is this publication here. Yeah, Reliable Enterprises, and it is from New Delhi. The cost price is 175 rupees. I think you will get in very cheap. If you are in Hyderabad, you can get in Koti in second hand. Okay, and the book says that just rely on reliable question bank. Okay, worried of exams, wish to secure A1. So for the best result, please go through this. Yeah, I have a call. Just a second, and let me just see. Yeah. Okay. Yep. That was one of my friend. So just check. So we have this book, right? So we are using a reliable book of science for grade 10. Next book that we are actually referring, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, sorry. uh, Next book that I find very simple and handy, actually very handy. It contains very few pages, but this is also a good book. So you have a book like you have a book called as Fundamental Science Biology. Okay, this is a Fundamental Science Biology, and it's for 10th class by N.K. Mishra and L.C. Shah, and the publication is Bharti Bhavan Publishers and Distributors. So you can get this book also. The cost of this book is 135 rupees. Okay, so Foundation Science Biology for 10th class, N.K. Mishra and L.C. Shah. Along with this CC, some contents are also there. So this is a good book along with the lab manuals and clear explanation in the simple language. And more questions for practical. Each chapter has different type of questions including objective, which will help you for getting 1 mark questions which comes in the examination, right? So each and every marks count. So this is one of the handy books. So I'll give you a brief description how to go through these kinds of books. Okay, the next one, which is my third personal favorite book, is Evergreen. Okay, here this is actually self-study evergreen in science. uh, this is also very good, right? Which includes summative and formative assessments, actually for the teachers as well as for the student. And the publishers are Pradeep and Jitendra. Okay, Mr. Pradeep and Jitendra. He is an MSc B.Ed and HOD of Department of Science in Jalandhar, whereas Jitendra Singh is MSc B.Ed Principal, MGM Public School, Urban State Phase 2. And Evergreen, and the publishers are Evergreen Publishers. So this book is very good actually, but now we are having only 181 days. So let's see how to actually finish the portion. Yeah, the price of Evergreen is 250, right? So just check out, it's just 250 rupees. So we have 135 rupees, 250 rupees, and 175, that is the reliable. Now the best book that I want to prefer, or I want to say to each and every student that they should purchase when they are in actually coming to the 10th grade actually. Okay, so now it's time actually. So the term 2 examinations are going to come. Just we have to focus on our most important question parts and all this thing. So let's see what you are going to do is this book, which do not have any label, nothing, is my favorite. Yep. This book is actually Sultan Chand, right? So we have a Sultan Chand book, and the author, one of my favorite author, Mr. Lakhmeer Singh. I can show you the page. Yeah, I can show you here. So let's see. Here you can see that's my signature, and here Mr. Lakhmeer Singh. He's one of my favorite actually. When I was studying actually in 8th grade, right from that time, 2002 onwards, I am preferring S. Chand for all the grades. Like for 8th class we have, 9th we have, 10th, and this is one of the best book. Right? S. Chand and Companies Private Limited. And the book cost that I have is actually 250. So whichever you prefer, But at present for 81 days we can prefer Evergreen. I think this one will work. This is very good book, and as well as you can go for Foundation of Biology. And we have Eschand actually study material portal. You can find out on online. But my personal request or my personal thing, personally that I recommend to each and every student is Eschand. Go through the Eschand study material, question bank. Find anything about the Eschand. It is the best book actually, and can give you around 99% of result. Yeah, and 1% is about your whatever, it's just believe on your god or something, right? Okay, right. So coming to the topic, how you are going to prepare for the board examination. As we have discussed the specification, right? So how to secure 90% marks in board examination. Select the best book. The first advice is select the best book. That I have given you around 4 books here. Foundation of Biology, Reliable is there. Reliable is the least actually, don't prefer it, right? So we have Eschand, Evergreen, and the Foundation of Biology, right? So these are the 3 books which are must to have. Okay, so but you have to focus only on one book. Either you go for Eschand or either you go for Evergreen, right? So both are having actually question banks and you can go through it. Now, coming to how to prepare it. Now we are having 81 days, right? If we calculate from December 10th onward, we are having around 81 days till February. We are talking about till Feb 28th, right? So 81 days are there. A reliable book that I was showing you, where is it? Yeah, the reliable book, actually the content of total biophysics and chemistry, total BPC, we have, it contains 193 pages. Okay, so 193 pages, that is 50 chemistry, 50 bio, and remaining is the physics part. 93 pages are of physics, right? So per day, if you are going to read around 3 pages, 193 divided by 81, you will get around 2.38. That is exact 2.38. You can round up to 3. So 3 pages if you are reading per day in the sense for 30 minutes you are reading only 3 pages. I am not saying to mug up the question answers, and I am not telling you to actually just what by heart the things. Here the main agenda is go through that 3 pages very carefully. Read that 3 pages and give your time, like maximum what time you can give for your 3 pages of study. So just read the 3 pages. So we can have 3 pages 30 minutes, right? So if we take 3 pages 30 minutes, morning you finish 3 pages, right? Afternoon, or when you are going to sleep in the afternoon, before sleeping, just go through the 3 pages and the next 3 pages in the night time before you are going to sleep. This is only we are talking about the science here. The same formula you can apply for other subjects also, that is English or social, or not for mathematics. Now mathematics you have to practice it. So this is only with science, English, social, right? So we are here actually now 193 pages divided by 81 days, you get around 3 pages per day. So if you are reading 3 pages per day, that is morning and evening and afternoon, like how we have a medical prescription from the doctor side, the same way 3 pages, so total 9 pages if in a day, if you are reading from the reliable book. I assure that you will complete this book. Yeah, you will complete this book within 25 days. Within 25 days you are going to complete this book. So you have left with half of the Jan month as well as the Feb month to go through the book again. Actually, please depend upon only one book, don't go through many of the books. So if you are purchasing reliable book of the guide and depending upon this guide, just go through this book, read daily 3 pages and or 9 pages actually, right? So just go through the 9 pages of this everything, and then this you just go through along the blueprint actually you're given. Okay, so when you turn on, please go through the blueprints. This is very important, right? So focus on CC papers, past papers and all in this especially. So when you are reading this thing, just read 3 daily, okay, and give your maximum around 3 to 4 hours for each subject. For each subject just give 3 to 4 hours. A thorough reading should be there, right? So 9 pages per day, 3 plus 3 plus 3, total 9 pages. If you do within 21 days, this entire book will be completed, and you are having around 1.5 month left with you to just do revision, right? So this is the best thing actually. You have only 1.5 month to do the revision also, so this is a good thing, right? So that's my calculation how you work actually. That is 4 hours of study is enough. Seriously, if you're studying, please take only 4 hours of your daily routine, or 12 hours. From 12 hours you can take 4 hours for just reading the book and just finish it. Give a reading so that in the Feb month or in the half of the Jan month you can again go through the reading work and then finish this one. No need of by hearting. Once you read the recapitulation and the things which are there in this book will directly imprinted in your brain, and yeah, this works at all. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So we are done with the reliable. Any doubts? Please have any doubts and comments. Please ask me, and whenever you are free, you can ask. The phone number is 8686747539, and my name is Sudarshan. You can just ask anytime, any kinds of question. I'll be free to answer you. Right. So next book that we have is, we have an S-Chan. Right. So this one is a simple one. S-Chan. Okay. Does it looks very bulgy? Okay. But in this term 1 and term 2 is there, so we are only going to focus on only term 2 topics, right? So here it goes with the S-Chan. Total S-Chan for term 2 is 135 pages. Okay, total term 2 pages are only 135, and if we divide this 135 pages by 81, it comes to 2 pages per day. I'm telling only the round figure. 1.6 converts to 2, so it is actually 2 pages per day of your S-Chan. If you are preferring S-Chan, please, I'm mentioning here again and again, if you are reading reliable, please go through only reliable. But if you are preferring S-Chan, you have an S-Chan, please go through only S-Chan. No need of going for any other book, right? So here we are having an S-Chan, right? So the still term 2 we have around 135 pages. So I don't have any sticker because it has been labeled, so just I'm saying you. So total 135 pages are there. 135 pages, when you divide it by 81, you will get around 2 pages per day. So just 2 pages you have to read per day, and the same method again, 2 pages in the morning, 2 pages in the afternoon, and 2 pages at the night, in night actually when you read, right? So total we are having 6 pages of this. So once you finish this one, you will complete this book. I'm telling you, they will complete this book within 25 days. Again 22 days actually. So 22 days, when you complete this book, you are thorough with that book. Again you have January and February month completely for revision. Second revision I'm saying you. Third revision you can do during the examination time, when you have 3 to 4 days gap between two subjects, right? So that's my advice actually. Go through the book, read the book, don't mug up, understand the concept actually. Okay, when you read once, maybe you won't understand. Second, thrice, go for number of times the reading, because you have around 4 hours. 4 hours for one subject, 4 to 5, 8 pages, 2 if you take it. So just 8 pages, go thorough reading of this, mark anything, make a note of it, or make a stick note actually on the textbook only itself. You can draw a small notes that this is my what is that strong point of the textbook, this has to be elaborated, and this is the keywords what we say actually, right? So just mention the keywords, and with that you will understand when you are going for the 10th board examination. Before the exam, just go through the stick notes, you will understand what is there in that particular page, right? So we are done with the S-Chan. Now the book which has very least pages is Foundation Biology, right? Foundation Biology, which is around 135 rupees, but I strongly say you this, actually deny the pros thing is that this book is not at all good, because term 1 and term 2 content of bio is only there here. We have physics and chemistry also. So here actually I'm a bio teacher, so I'm going to say you about the bio things. Okay, so the thing is, this book, clear explanation in simple language is there, but one of the basic chapter is management of our resources, which is there in the term 2. That lesson is missing from here, which carries around 4 marks, right? So that 4 marks lesson is not there in this textbook or foundation of biology. So so it has only 54 pages. So this 54 pages you can finish actually within 15 days. You can finish this book, and that 4 marks of the lesson, that is management of resources, you can go through any of the textbook or basically go from the NCERT textbook. I think that is the best one for the 4 marks. But if you want to have this one, 135 rupees, right? Yeah, 135 rupees, you can have this book and finish within 15 days. Reading of 2 times, that is 15 days in December, 15 days in Jan. You can go through that revision for around 3 days. No, sorry, you have 3 times you can do actually in December month, January month, and half of the Jan and half of the Jan. You can finish around the three times. But please don't prefer this book. This is not at all good. Yeah, that's the thing. Foundation of Science Biology, I didn't find very good, that's why. Okay, so that's around 54 pages and just nothing else to be saying about this. The last one that I have is actually Evergreen, right? Evergreen is very beautiful book, really. It's very beautiful, and when you see the question papers and the type of hot questions and the what we say value based questions, which are actually generally asked for 5 marks, so these questions generally which are there is basically found in Evergreen. Okay, so if you're going through Evergreen, go thoroughly and give your sincere effort for the Evergreen book. Okay, and I'm really thankful of actually for Pradeep and Mr. Jitendra, those who have actually given their CC new scheme is there, blueprint is there, even the weightage of each and every lesson. Okay, so I think in this actually essay 2 paper is there, mock test you can write, all type of expected fully solved questions, solved and unsolved questions are there, numericals are there for the physics, HOTS are there, that is called as higher order thinking questions, and we have solved exemplary problems also, that is there for actually NCERT website. Yeah, that is one of the book, on NCERT website you have exemplary problems for 10th class, and in which most of the questions are from long answers and short answers, and they yeah, CBSE do repeat from that also. So this has that answers also, so no need of just all in one book, you can say this one, right? So it contains around 200 pages, right? It also has around 250 pages, and if you read this 250 pages per day, like you are making it around 8 pages, please, this is a very sincere thing, is do a hard work, 8 pages per day, so that you can finish this book as early as possible within like 25 or 28 days, maximum 28 days to finish it. So nothing to do like reading all, you will finish in January month actually, 8 days. So that's how, that's the thing. So when you finish actually basically all these books, either you go for Evergreen, Reliable or Foundation, just go through the book, give a thorough reading. That 4 hours of your reading should be only with book. You and your book should be there, and when you're reading, whatever doubts are arising in your mind, distraction and whatever is there, actually just block the distraction. That video will be done later, how to block your distraction during the examination time, but at present, the distraction whatever is there, just cancel all those distractions. Yeah, just girlfriends, boyfriends and स्कूल में ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, आप ब्लडी शिट यार, सब छोड़ दो अभी, क्योंकि अपने को करियर पे फोकस करना है बेसिकली, राइट? सो एग्जामिनेशन इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट, और पेरेंट्स भी के हिसाब से देखें तो यार रियली दे आर वेरी मच स्ट्रेस्ड फॉर योर फ्यूचर, ठीक है? तो keep this in mind and just focus on the studies, right? So we have 81 days left, so the countdown begins, which is going to be started. CBSE abhi tak to they have not published it, but maybe like last year it was starting from 1st, so hopefully 10th grade will have also an examination from 1st March, So kudos, good luck, and any doubts or anything, please queries, just subscribe my channel and just call me. Yeah, once again the number is 8686747539. Just dial the number. I will be available. I'll be happy to help you out, right? So this is Sudarshan signing off. Take good care of your health. Okay, focus on your examination and good luck. Thanks for listening to me, and thank you for giving your valuable time to listen to this person. Bye.